everyone and welcome, my name is Thundernumel and I welcome you to the channel. I see that many of you are interested in seeing some DD combos, so I got to work and honestly it's really hard to make them. The variety of builds you can play in DDDs is just insane, so I decided to split it in multiple videos, I guess. In today's videos we'll be covering the purest of the pure DD builds. The only card you could consider as a non-pure DD card is Needle Fiber, but honestly you could just not play it and it would work pretty much the same. It is only relevant in few niche instances, however you can decide if you want to play it in this build or not. Also, I won't be showcasing a deck profile this time around because it's really not finished at all. The only thing I could say about the new DD ratios is that you need to play 3 Griffin, maybe 1 Trap, maybe 1 Field Spell and 1 to 2 of the new Xyz monster. Copernicus just became a new staple and the Night Howl is probably a staple in the pure variant of the deck. Before we get into the video, if you would like to see more of the DD combos or different varieties of the deck, please consider smashing the subscribe button and liking the video because it really does help me a lot. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments down below, I'll reply to each and every one of you. I'll shut up right now and let the combos play out. Enjoy!
やれやれだぜ。やれやれやれ。
Before we part ways, I just like to note that I didn't use Go DDD Divine King 0 Rage or whatever in this video because I'm personally from Europe and we still don't have that card legal here. It does make more than a few combos way better than they already are, so if you have it, please use it by all means. If you would like me to show you some combos with it, let me know down in the comments below. If you watched the video so far, I'm really grateful to you and thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the variety of combos and I hope you'll stick around for more, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye!